Hey everyone, today we are checking out the IDRYBAG Waterproof Backpack for all your outdoor adventures. This rugged bag uses 500D vinyl-coated polyester to keep your gear completely dry and safe. Simply roll the top down 3 times and buckle it for a reliable watertight seal every time. You get a splash-proof front pocket and an internal zippered section for your smaller essential items. The side pouch holds your water bottle, while the reflective strip ensures you stay visible at night. Use the padded shoulder straps to carry it comfortably during hiking, kayaking, or even deep woods camping. This durable dry sack is the ultimate companion for anyone who loves exploring the great outdoors. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.